Devio review. Hey there, welcome to my review of Devio. We are going to take a look at an example website that you get to create with this software and just to look at the pros and cons of this approach and all the main features. Before we dive into this Devio review, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit. I've been earning a full-time income online with internet marketing for over 10 years now, so hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research this latest product launch. Also, if you want to discover my number one system for generating a realistic income online right now, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done for you system, and a really excellent way to get those consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for my number one recommended online system. So Devio, it claims to give you this app sumo killer style app where you can essentially create your own app store, sell your own apps and take payments all via your own website. So this is an example website that you will be creating with Devio, and it looks quite professional. It's got a magazine style e-course layout where you've got these thumbnails of various different software codes, plugins, scripts, themes, and apps that you get to sell on your Devio website. So it's quite a professional layout. It's preloaded with a number of different categories such as AI tools, code script, ebooks, mobile apps, plugins, software, and themes, and also has a number of these packages and software scripts on the homepage. When you click through to a product listing, they've got a number of done-for-you apps you can sell that they've already created, or you can create your own apps yourself. You can hook up your PayPal account so you can take payments directly to PayPal. So this button will be integrated in with your own PayPal settings, so you can actually sell the apps on your website, capture a buyer's email list. So you're building a buyer's list whilst selling these apps on your website. In terms of the done-for-you apps, it doesn't look that professional, the layout of the website as is. There doesn't seem to be that much information about what each of these apps do. They don't really do a particularly good job of selling each app on the sales page. They just give a very generic bit of text and images. So I think you would need to create your own unique apps from scratch and give it a proper listing with much more details and really sell it. Or people aren't just going to look at this image and want to buy it. They're going to need to know what they're actually getting with that software app before they're going to want to make a purchase. And what you can do as part of the Devio members area is you can actually go inside the members area, and there's a chatbot that you can interact with and ask it to write you code to do certain tasks that you can package up into an app. So on the demos they've got, they ask you can ask the chatbot to create you an online calendar, and you could package that for an app on how to get an online calendar tool for your website. You can ask it to create some sort of calculation tool, maybe a financial or mortgage calculator tool, and package that up and sell on the website. So you can actually create code from scratch using the chatbot within the Devio members area. However, to me, that seems a bit like interacting directly with ChatGPT for free, and you can ask ChatGPT for free to give you code, and it's more advanced add-ins and plugins using the official ChatGPT platform or main AI platforms that really specialize in this stuff. So it just seems strange to have a basic chatbot behind a paywall to ask something to get code where you could potentially do that for free with tools and software that already exists. Also, I think the typical beginner is going to struggle to sell apps like this because you're going to need to create a new and innovative app that does something the marketplace hasn't seen yet, and you're going to need to do a really good job on the sales page to convince people to buy it. I don't think just slapping up a simple website like this and adding a PayPal button is going to get any customers. You're really going to need to have a better internet marketing game plan, better sales skills, and really do research in the types of apps that would actually sell well. But the main advantage of Devio, from what I see, is a fairly professional website design, but you're going to have to manually tweak it and improve the apps to actually make it while for your customers to make a purchase. So both pros and cons with the Devio software launch. Anyway, if you want to discover how I go about earning a realistic income online and my number one system for doing so, then click the link below. Click that link in the video description. That's my number one system, a complete done for you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting those realistic, consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for my number one recommended online system. Thanks for checking out my Devio review. All the best and speak soon.